How do I create a strong suspension? Point 4. A DIY wind chime. Imagine your wind chime gently dancing in the breeze, producing beautiful sounds. To make that happen, you need a sturdy, reliable spot to hang it from. The key is choosing the right materials and securing them properly. First, pick a solid base like a piece of scrap wood, a metal ring, or even an old light switch cover. These are strong enough to hold the weight of your chimes and resist outdoor weather. Drill several evenly spaced holes around the edge of your base. These holes will be used to attach the hanging strings or wires that support your chimes. Use a drill with a bit that matches the thickness of your hanging material. For example, if you are using nylon string, a small drill bit around 1/8 of an inch works well. Next, select durable, weather-resistant materials for the hanging lines. Nylon string, fishing line, or thin metal wire are good options because they resist moisture and sunlight. Tie secure knots or use crimp beads to attach the lines through the drilled holes. For added strength, you can reinforce the knots with waterproof glue or wrap thin wire around the knot area. Now, for the actual suspension point, drill a central hole in the support base. Insert a strong hook, a bolt, or a metal ring through this hole. Secure it tightly with a washer and nut if you're using hardware like an eye-bolt. Make sure it is tight enough so it won't loosen over time. The hardware must be able to support the total weight of your wind chime plus the force of wind. If you are using chains or metal hangers, bend and crimp the ends securely to prevent slipping. Adjust the length of each hanging line so the chimes hang evenly and are balanced. This helps prevent stress on the suspension point and keeps your wind chime hanging straight. When working with recycled materials, look for sturdy items like old metal conduit, scrap wood, or hardware from discarded objects. These can add both strength and character to your project. Always double-check that your knots and attachments hold firmly before hanging your wind chime outside. Remember, a strong suspension point combines a solid base, well-drilled attachment points, weather-resistant lines, and secure hardware. When all these elements come together, your wind chime will hang safely and sound beautifully for a long time.